Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. As expected, it's been a cloudy and wet day for much of the interior, in particular for the areas extending from the Northern Cape, the Northwest into the Free State and the Eastern Cape. Tropical moisture bringing widespread showers and thunder showers to that area. Further westwards in the clearer air, a few thunder showers have popped up in this area, and we've also had a couple of showers and even small thunderstorms developing over parts of Limpopo. The thunderstorms in the west are going to continue tonight for parts of the Northern Cape, while ahead of that, the main band of showery activity is going to spread across the Highveld, bringing very wet weather to the region as well as into southern KwaZulu-Natal. We're also expecting fog to push in along the western coastline thanks to a low pressure system moving over the area. Heading into tomorrow, and the very wet weather continues onto the Highveld. Wet roadways expected for your morning commute across much of this region, and the rainy weather will continue into the afternoon for many places as well. On Thursday afternoon, a few thunder showers will redevelop over the central parts of the country, while it's going to be a mainly clear day further westwards along the western coastline. Quite a bit of cloud, especially in the morning, and that's going to keep temperatures lower than what they have been over the last 2 days or so. There is a watch for tonight. That's for the possibility of heavy rain, which could lead to localized flooding over the northwest, even reaching southern Gauteng overnight, as well as many parts of southern KZN and across the border into the Eastern Cape. Do take care if you're driving through those areas, in particular if you're going to be crossing any low-lying bridges. Widespread to scattered showers and thunder showers across those areas, as well as for much of the Free State this evening. We're expecting isolated storms further westwards, including around Uppington and extending into parts of the Western and Eastern Cape. A few showers still likely over Limpopo, a little bit of light rain along the escarpment areas overnight, and we will see some wet weather for northern KwaZulu-Natal as well. Cool overnights for many parts of the interior as well as near the western coastline of the country. Vredendal drops down to a chilly 12 degrees overnight, but still very warm along the east coast as well as humid. Tomorrow is going to be hot for much of the northern and eastern Cape interior, where temperatures will rise above 30 degrees. Much cooler, on the other hand, for parts of the Highveld. Johannesburg at 21 tomorrow, 23 for Pretoria, and Bethlehem in the eastern Free States reaching a high of 22. A look ahead for Johannesburg, and wet weather continues into Friday, although it will be warmer with a bit of more sunshine expected. A dry start to the weekend, 30 degrees as a maximum. Similar conditions for both Sunday and Monday, although your minimum temperatures will be taking a dive with the drier air in circulation. We're starting to see the early signs of autumn for much of the Highveld. Looking ahead to Friday for the rest of the country, drier for the western interior, although a cold front will bring some wet weather to the Western Cape. And on Saturday, we're expecting it to be dry across central South Africa, rain for parts of the coastline, and still a few showers and thunder showers for Limpopo and Mpumalanga.